Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Ensure your iPhone runs iOS 16 or later and is updated in settings. This feature relies on system updates for accuracy and privacy. Open the Photos app and locate any photo with an object, plant, or text to analyze. Tap the Visual Lookup icon that appears near the Info button to start recognition. If you want text extraction directly from the camera, enable live text in settings and open camera afterward. Updates can improve results, so check software update regularly for the latest improvements and models supported. Tap the Visual Lookup icon on a photo to highlight recognized subjects. The system outlines people, objects, landmarks, plants, and animals when detected. Swipe up on the photo to reveal the lookup panel and view suggested actions and information cards. Actions include copying text, translating text, identifying a plant, or finding similar images on the web. Use the camera app for live text to get real-time recognition while framing a subject. You can copy or share results from the lookup panel with a single tap. For best results, use clear lighting and place the subject within frame close up. Blurry or distant subjects reduce confidence and can return no matches. Tap a highlighted area to select specific text or object before copying, translating, or sharing that content. Use the magnify gesture to focus on a small detail like a label or barcode for accurate extraction. Privacy settings keep image analysis local on your device unless you explicitly choose to search the web. Adjust photos and camera.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.